I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Oops. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. Come. Saka, come. Come. They say hello. Good morning. Good morning, people. What? How are you, Sarah?
I'm fine.
You're fine? How are you, Tyler?
Good.
You're good? Where's Mama? Mama is missing. Where's Mama?
It's got to work.
Oh, Mama is gone to work.
Yeah.
Okay, and what is today? Today is
Easter.
Easter Sunday. So what we're gonna do on Easter Sunday?
Gonna egg hunt.
We going on a egg hunt. We going on a egg hunt. Ha ha ha. Why are you looking at me like this?
Not egg hunt, it's egg hunt.
We going on a egg hunt. We going on a egg hunt. Ha ha ha. Look at this boy. We watch TV, can't ever watch TV, I have to read the subtitle and then he's joking, he's laughing at me. Ha ha ha. I'm laughing at you too. Ha ha ha. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Baby's gone to work and we are here enjoying our Sunday morning. Well, enjoying, you can say that we're all tired. We have a mission to do. We going on a
Egg hunt.
We going on a egg hunt. Ha ha ha. Okay, this boy won't find no egg. That's
I
the
will
rule.
find all of the eggs and nobody else will have
Sarah
eggs.
will find all of the egg. High five, Sarah.
No, me.
Yeah, we're gonna tie Tyler to the tree.
Ah!
Yeah, high five.
Where's the rope to do that?
Yeah, don't worry for the
No,
work.
away.
You're gonna run away?
Yeah.
You're gonna find the egg?
Yeah.
And where Tyler gonna be? Gonna be tied in the?
Run away.
You're gonna tie it in the tree.
No.
You're gonna tie it in the tree. Hi guys. So, Tyler. So it's Sunday. Easter Sunday. I hope you are all doing well. We're gonna bring you today. We're gonna have a full day. We're gonna come back early afternoon, so we're gonna have a full day with her and with these little two kids. I'm gonna take care of them. You love it? Alright, we gotta get ready. Hey guys, we just come from the
Easter egg hunt.
Easter egg hunt. You hunt egg?
Yeah.
You catch a lot of egg?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to show Faith all of the eggs that you catch? Wow, look at that. Wow. You have a lot of chocolate?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
We were in the property, was a lot of kids and egg everywhere, and they just run from left, from right to left, to right to left, to right to up and down, and they find a lot of eggs. Yeah, and Tyler find a lot of egg too. Want to show egg, Tyler?
Oui. Ça, c'est ce que j'ai attrapé qui a mis.
So Tyler find some egg. Tyler was nice. He just leave some eggs for the little one. Sarah was also nice. She share everything. So every time she's the one that have the less because she's the one that take her eggs and give them to the others. She's just sharing so much. So yeah. But by the way, it's just so much eggs than I would her to have less than a big ball of egg. Who tell you to start to eat? Come. What you eating? It's good. Wow.
Papa, je peux?
You can eat that. I'm gonna have to control them. I'm gonna have to control the brushing teeth. Alright guys, that was it for the egg, but I'm sure tomorrow we're gonna have a little surprise again. Lunch for the kids. easy, simple way, and they're gonna like it. A little sandwich and the banana. Sarah says she wanted the banana, so yeah, I make her a banana with a sandwich. So I'm sure she's gonna eat everything. Hey guys, I'm home. I don't know if it's always the case, but I just have the feeling that I'm doing one thing, puff is done, then I have to do another things like breakfast, then get ready for the egg hunt, then just can relax 5 minutes. Oops, have to go dinner for the kid. Have to go lunch for the kid. Huh. Nap time gonna be the relief. Nap time gonna be the relief. So yeah, everybody's fine and the kids are playing. Let's see what they're doing before they're gonna eat. Let's see what they are doing. Ooh, I see a ball. I see somebody playing a citrouille, a pumpkin ball. Ooh, you playing in your sister room? Where's your sister? Your room is much better than yesterday's because Tyler is using it as a football field. It's your football field.
Chaque fois que je prends ça pour jouer, je dois. Quand je joue, il faut qu'il y a aucun jouet.
Oh, so that's why it's clean. And if I look at Tyler room is full of things. So you have to go play in his sister room. Boom. You alright, Sarah? You hungry?
Yeah.
What you gonna eat?
Sandwich.
You're gonna eat sandwich?
And banana.
Sandwich and banana? Alright, guess what? Your sandwich and your banana is ready. You want to come?
Yeah.
Alright, come. Time to go eat. Time to go eat for you too, Tyler.
Let's go.
You're going to eat with Elmo?
No.
Elmo and Mimi?
Yeah.
I go eat with Elmo and Mimi.
Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm just stepping in from work. Just getting back home. The fam have been home all day without me, but it feels good to be home when the sun is out and shining. I left work at 3 p.m. today, so you know, I reached home good enough time. And I got home and sit outside with the kids playing in my warm clothes. So I'm gonna take off my clothes and head right back to them playing. Hopefully you guys are doing well. And I had a long day at work, my feet hurts, but it's all worth it. I love you guys. I'll see you guys for the rest of today's vlog. Come, ready. Nobody want to slam me down, you know, because we can't get the slam in it. My rocks, you know. So how you get 3 points over the 100, Tyler? Yeah, I understand. Oh, you score your points.
You.
Aye.
10-2.
Sorry, that's too close to the edge.
Launching Papa now. Papa.
Tama.
Papa, t'as gagné 2 sets. I want this.
What you making?
There.
Tell them what you making.
Lasagna.
Lasagna. Lasagna.
They go to ramener des lasagnes besides the barbecue.
No, the lasagna is for tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow dinner.
Yes, and tomorrow lunch. You guys, I'm making.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah. Yes, you open it.
Yeah. I can open it.
Hold on, that's the one that's already open. You guys, I got back home and making lasagna before we go outside to have barbecue for
it's
dinner.
already open.
Okay. So look, Ty, we put a little bit of cream in the bottom. Just to make the lasagna don't burn. Wait, Sarah, wait. Mama will tell you when it's time for the cheese. Okay? Okay, now, but your job is to open them. You have to open the pack. Back up.
I can't put them.
Hold on.
I can't put them.
Yes, I'm going to show you how to put them. But you have to open the pack first. Sarah, you're going to put cheese and Mama tell us to put cheese. So I'm going to put it and then tell you how to put the rest, okay? So we put in the pasta like cream time. You can come closer so they can see in the lasagna. Alright, Sarah, it's time for cheese. Go, Sarah, cheese. Put cheese, Sarah, put cheese. Tyler, there's another cheese bag to use. There's more cheese. Put this one. Sarah, put it all over it. It's already open tight. Just pull it apart like this.
Oh.
Throw cheese, Sarah. Throw cheese. If you do that, the cheese just gonna go one place.
We need no more. Did you see?
Alright, what we gonna put now? What we gonna put? No, pasta.
Hey, it's me that's in charge of pasta.
One. Come, Tyler, go faster. One. Good job, Ty.
Give me.
Give Sarah one. Put it here. Here.
Wait.
No, don't press it. I don't want it to break. One more. Alright, what's next? Okay, babe, after this step, then you can stop. This is going to be one big lasagna. Serve you all for these.
You tell me when I stop. Huh?
Yeah, I will.
Much cheese.
Huh?
I think there'll be a bit too much cheese.
There's never enough cheese. There can't be too much cheese. Alright, you guys, lasagna finish. And it's ready for the oven, but we have one thing left to do. What is the one thing we have left to do, Ty? Do you know?
Put it in the oven.
Yeah, but what we have to do before we put it in the oven? One very...
Wrap it up.
Huh?
Wrap it up.
Yes.
But why we need to wrap it up?
Because the pasta is uncooked. So we have to make it steam. Normally, some people cook lasagna with pasta that is already cooked. That's how I used to cook it in the past. But I realized that this way is easier. It only takes a little longer. Okay? Okay?
So if this will take a little longer, why you do it?
That's fine. We don't need it for today. And it's okay. Lasagna is in the stove, in the oven. And it's our favorite time of the week. Barbecue outside with the fam bam. With the crew. Look at them. Yummy? Yummy, Sarah?
Yeah.
Yummy, Tai.
Yes.
What you eating? Yo, mess. You guys, lasagna done, dinner's done, and I am on to crepe. And best believe that the kids already ate from this crepe making. Look at them.
I don't know if it's true what the man says. Say 1/3.